Well, good afternoon and welcome to Gray Fam Outdoors. Today we are not going to be watching birds eat from our bird feeders. Today we're going to be taking a look at some footage that was taken in front of our house this past April, and we'll let you decide what the heck was been visiting our front porch. And I'll just give you a little look. From this side, sun's going down here in Kearney, Missouri. Got still probably another 3 hours, but it's on the downside. And then here is a look the other side, and then there's our light. It's got a green light in it, so our Nest camera can see better. And there is our nest right there. All right, let's head on up, and then we're going to transfer the video onto our Nest camera. Well, welcome everybody to our front porch and via our Nest cam here. And you're probably wondering, what have we been seeing on our Nest camera on our front porch for the past month of April? And as of last night, it happened again. And haven't quite figured out what is going on. I got some ideas, but no proof. But I do have some footage to show you and see if you guys might be able to help me figure out what's going on my front porch. Okay, I got this first clip I'm going to show you, and the object comes up right here and crosses right here and then goes out of view. Then I want you to look to the green grass over here, and you're briefly see that again. That's briefly. And I'm going to show it to you twice, and then I'm going to show you a freeze frame of the object right here. Kind of weird. Can't figure it out. All right, here we go with the clip. All right, there you go. Was that weird or what? It's almost like you could see through the green orange thing. Is it an orb? Is it an animal? Not quite sure at this point. My wife and I, we got out here and we got a fishing rod, and we thought it would be kind of smart to try and recreate what was happening out here. And we did a couple of things. We tried a tennis ball. We tried a teddy bear. And Trace was kind of thinking maybe it was a object, or it could have been an animal that was a possum that had black, white, and gray hairs. So we found that, or she found, the stuffed animal that was a husky. And we took it and we dragged it across her a couple of times. And here's one I think is the best shot. I'll let you look at it. We're trying to recreate this and see if maybe the pixels will mix up enough to maybe recreate what we're seeing. And so here's what we did. All right, start going. Okay. One more time. Okay. This, we thought we had it figured out. We had a lot more events happen our front porch, anywhere from 9:41 at night till 4:41 in the morning. Uh, no such time all the time. It just happens whenever. All right, here's a bunch of clips, and see what you think, and we'll discuss that when we come back. All right, here we go. Okay, now at this point, my family's starting to convince me that we probably got some bugs out here. But however, if you lived in the Kearney area, the Kansas City area, it's been kind of nippy in April. We even had 3.5 inches of snow out here about a week and a half ago. We've had no bugs. We've even took and sprayed bug spray around here. We take the bug repellent or spraying around here and put around the Nest camera. And, next day we got something. So we were even thinking maybe something really, really tiny is going across the lens, but I really don't think so, just by the way the things are behaving. One of the clips you just saw, the object came in here, and it's like this railing is here, and it just kind of went underneath of it, like it wanted to miss it. And it came down here, and then went back up, and then several seconds later, it came back down. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on there, but it's just interesting. Now, here is a video of real bugs shot last night off this Nest Cam. This will give you an idea now. It's warming up. We're actually getting bugs out here. And this is what it looks like when we have bugs out here around the camera and the light. All right, I got one more video for you. Got a little competition here. I got somebody running a trimmer, and I got people moving in across the road from us. So we'll get into this. All right, this next one I call the final countdown. Why do I call it the final countdown? I think it's the most relative clip I've got. It's just crazy. It's unexplainable. It's make you feel that these are not insects. I don't think it's an animal, and I'm not sure if it's an orb or what the heck it is. All right, I'm going to play this one also twice for you, and See if you can figure out what you think about this. All right, I call this the final countdown. Here we go. Hit the clip. Okay, was that crazy or what? Hopefully you held out there, because the object comes in this time and sits right here. It looks like it's sitting right here for 10, 12, 15 seconds. And then it drops down and goes right out the end of the porch by the railing. I don't get it. I really don't get it. So after seeing that one, I don't think it's an animal. I don't think it's an insect, but really can't rule the insects out, but I really don't think. Now, there was some in those clips I showed you. There's some that seem like they seem to have some wings, or the object would just kind of wiggle a little bit. I don't know. Again, I'd like to hear from you guys what you think. All right, before we close, you guys like to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. We're going to be heading out on a road trip here shortly, so we're going to have some more videos on that, and we'll be posting some more videos of our birds in the backyard feeding in our feeders. And so please subscribe, and we're going to have more coming up. So before we do that, we got a blooper for you, and I was coming out here. I was going to do some testing with some stuffed animals, and here's what happened. Okay, don't know how well you guys can see, but we're going to do a test here. So we're not sure what we saw the other night, but we're going to take this teddy bear and we're going to drag it across here, and we're going to see what it sounds like, or what it sounds like. We're going to see what it looks like going across the porch here. Tracy, you didn't turn it off, you just screwed it up.
Sorry.
Turn it off. Okay. All right. If you made it to the end of our video, we thank you for watching. And probably, if I get a few more of these, I'm going to put them on here and see if I can't get some more feedback from all of you, and so we can't figure out what this is. There is another video. I'm going to put the link in the description down below. There is another person that has an S camera. They had a couple objects that look a lot like mine, and maybe there's something with the Nest camera. Maybe there was something up with these. Just don't know. But I'll let you guys figure it out. I'll try to do the same. Okay, until next time, thanks for watching Gray Fam Outdoors. See ya.